driven.co. Few names are as recognizable as this automotive badge. English cool, English sports roadster. This is an impeccable 1966 MGB convertible. This has had loving care, upgrade, and restoration. This was owned by a gentleman in Southern California beach cities, and he absolutely adored this car. He had two of them. He had one that he let go because this one was just so superb. It was restored. It's believed it's got about 5,000 miles from the complete restoration. The floors were done at that time. An upgraded 1800 cc engine was put in the vehicle, and it's probably the quickest MGB I've been in. It's certainly very, very peppy. Car was painted, floors were done, tires, wires, interior. It's a lovely car from stem to stern. It is an overdrive car, and it's turnkey. It's ready to go. Lovely British styling. Just a wonderful way to spend some weekend driving in the sun, enjoying your time out on the town, and a very reliable, fantastic driving English sports car. This really does drive wonderfully. It just inspires confidence. It sounds wonderful. It's got all the visceral appeal you'd want from an English sports car. You can see that there's no rust or anything like that that's showing whatsoever. I mean, its car was done very, very nicely and very completely when it was restored. Lovely color combination. The red highlights in the seats complement the French blue exterior. How cool. We invite you to come take a look at this car in person. You'll be impressed. We're located in Southern California. The company is driven.co, and our phone number is 949-234-6353. And we'll be glad to answer any questions we can on this car for you. Boots tidy, MGB manuals. Lovely upgraded engine. This will perform as nice or nicer than in any MGB you're gonna find on the street. I love this engine. It's just wonderful. fly in, drive out. Spend some time in Southern California and see the USA down Route 66 in this lovely car. Let's go take this thing for a ride. That's where it shines.